Honda just introduced a new and more rugged version of its popular Ridgeline pickup. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, and then select Honda. We make it easy to find what you want fast. For 2024, Honda has added a new TrailSport Trim to the Ridgeline lineup. This adds rugged new looks and off-road capability to an already excellent pickup. Under the hood of every Ridgeline is Honda's 3.5-liter V6 engine. This produces a peak 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It's connected to a standard 9-speed automatic transmission, and it sends power to all four wheels through Honda's advanced iVTM4 all-wheel drive system. Power can be managed with a variety of drive modes to optimize traction in various conditions, including snow, sand, and mud. Unique to the TrailSport Trim is special badging, off-road tuned suspension, optional skid plate, and general grabber all-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch alloy wheels. These tires not only provide excellent grip, they're also rated for both snow and ice. In the back, you get a 5-foot 4-inch bed. The tailgate can fold down or swing to the side. It even has molded-in seating for you tailgaters out there. The truck bed is lined so you don't have to worry about scratches. The in-bed trunk features 7.3 cubic feet of secured storage. Plus, it even has a drain so you can use it as a cooler. Payload maxes out at 1,583 pounds. A tow hitch and connections are included for a towing capacity of up to 5,000. Inside, you get a functional cabin with lots of room for storage. In the back, you can fold up the seat for extra secured storage in the cab, or fold the seat back down again if you need to take passengers. They even get vents and power back there. Up front, the driver gets a power adjustable seat with heat, a wrapped steering wheel, and the latest in Honda's touchscreen infotainment. This provides quick access to information and entertainment. It also doubles as a backup camera when needed. In terms of safety, the Ridgeline is loaded with advanced collision mitigation, blind spot warnings, and adaptive cruise control with lane centering. On the road, the Ridgeline is a joy to drive. This doesn't drive like a truck. Where most trucks get jostled by uneven surfaces, the Ridgeline maintains confidence thanks to independent suspension on all four corners and an advanced all-wheel drive system. Hit the trail and you'll be ready for action with the Ridgeline TrailSport's all-terrain tires, providing grip in pretty much any situation. If you're looking for a do-everything comfortable truck, this is clearly an excellent choice. To learn more about the new 2024 Honda Ridgeline TrailSport, visit your local AutoNation Honda dealer today. Get started at AutoNation.com.